How much will Shiba Inu be worth in 5 years? What a big question, my friend. All holder also tell me, my brothers, to please answer. And exactly, my friend, every channel, one of the unique channel on YouTube today will answer your question. Absolutely, if you have any question about Shiba Inu coin, this is very good for investment, this is very bad for investment. Absolutely, you have any doubt, then please ask me in the comment box. Every channel will answer you just in only in 24 hours. You found our channel, my friend, video about your question. So just and only you ask your question, my friend. The very important question: how much will Shiba Inu be worth in 5 year and 2022? For 2025. So my friend, I found this answer, and absolutely you can see here is on the screen. Then I will answer, my friend, share my experience. So this time you can see here the market forecaster suggests Shiba Inu will reach 0.4019 a year. Every year, my friend, you can see here per year they will hit 0.4019 USD dollars. So if this is the average, my friend, you can see here from now and hit 0.4016 in 5 years, and indicated as 620% upside potential. Digital coin price expect this the Shiba Inu coin to rise about 50% from the current level to close 2021 at my friend 0.40125 2 days ago, my friends. This is just an only said this, and I found this answer. You can see here this is the latest price, my friend. The latest price is very cheap now, so it is, my friend, impossible. I will tell you, my brothers, it is impossible to they will hit $1 in 2025, my friend. This is impossible, but a lot of experts says this, my friend, to if they will hit just in only 1 cent, my friend, before, my friend, 2022, then absolutely this is possible to in 2025 they will give you, my friend, 10 cents now, my friends, 10 USD dollar. So I hope, my friends, my experience absolutely told us, when if someone is promote again now like Elon Musk, then this is, my friend, possible to they will hit $1 in this year. But my friend, this is impossible because especially they will take a jump for a short time. So I think this is impossible to they will hit, my friend, $1 also in 2025. Let's see, but kindly hold your please. This is my personal experience. I already share you, and please, what's your answer, what's your opinion, please tell me in a comment box. Thanks for watching, holder. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.